Dream plus hard work equals success. Ti pa nagbalay giti biyag, ket adalaeng iti mismo a tao. No sikakat nagagat, kenaday ti panunod mo, nga iti laksid iti karigat iti panagbiag. Ket kayat mo iti lumungaw, maaramid mo. Niligaya Joy Villanueva, manipod iti ili ti Marcos. Nga magnana eden ijoy Amerika. Nagbanin na nga ginang Pilipinas Ambassador America 2025. Nasarino nga ratoy ket nagarapaap ngagbalin a beauty queen. Idi suna ket ubing pay. Ngem gapu iti kinarigat iti panagbiag. Inyon onana iti panagbasa ken ina panagtrabaho. Kalpasan iti rayta, ket ditan nga insarununa, iti pananggunod na, iri may sapay nga arapaap na. Ket may sabal nga tao, ket muna, iti agsubat, saan laang nga karigiti tao, nga nang tulong kong kana, no di ket di, iti komunidad. Tapnon sangsang kamaysa, iti intayo, panagbalaigi. Iridato ya bigat ti Domingo iti Damombo Success Story ti Good Morning Philippines. Intay manggagan ti istorya ti biag ni Miss Villanueva iti Iliti Marcos.
Yes, I'm so pleasure na interview na to share to the community and to entire Ilocos Norte my journey as ginang Filipinas American Ambassador National. Medyo narigat ako kasi I started Hawaii. That's the first nga nagkaroon ti ginang Filipinas Hawaii. So nabit pa dito ako. It's about 2 years pa lang. It started at other state in America. Then last year, first time ni Hawaii. So I won an tourism up there in Hawaii. I got also best in talent, best in swimwear, and those things. And then we did competition national. So buong entire state US competition. So about 21 of us. So I decided before not to pursue because of my ongoing illness. And then like suddenly, like about 2 weeks, it's that I'm not even prepared kasi I wanna rest.
Yes,
That's because of my illness siya. But I think it's a purpose anyway. Nga napang ko in pursue to compete national. Again, although adati talagang hardship for me at the time, and I'm a single mom. I have my parents and my sister, them siblings and everything, and I have like 2-3 jobs. So it's really hard. But I think for us, especially as Filipinos, we really have the resilience, yeah.
Yes.
If you wanna pursue, if you wanna succeed, just go and go and go. So that's me. So I don't really like prepared.
Yes, mom.
To go compete, but I just told to myself that I just gonna go enjoy the process, and I just gonna be myself, present nga shock those things, and luckily I got at the ambassador award for the 21st competitors for all over United States.
Yes.
So yeah, and then I really wanna pursue, and actually I'm now the ginang Filipinas Hawaii director because I wanna really do empowerment, especially kanyatay nga babae nga naasawaan. Most likely if focus tayo tanti family.
Yes.
How about ourselves? Diba? So, for me, I really want to continue empowering Filipino women, especially to those who are new to the United States, nga handa nga agbabain, because Because if they want to join also for this kind of pageantry, it really boosts their self-esteem, confidence, and if they have like it's a good also nga i-voice mo like the experience mo to people. Especially nga no the experience mo when it comes to love life, nga you struggle things and still you survive and succeed. Like it makes me encouragement for me hinga to pursue this ginang. Yeah, actually we're gonna have ginang Philippines also this year. So I'm gonna be the director also here in the Philippines. And so yeah, for all the women up there, especially Mrs. because that's ginang, that don't be shy. Never too late for us to pursue our dreams. And don't think nga nalukmeg tayo, babakit tayo. No. For this pageantry, it's for everybody. To shine and to experience, to gather more sisterhood, friends, and everything.
Yes,
And yeah.
ma'am.
So I think that's my purpose. Nakip-pageant ako din ba because of hardship in life. It's really hard when you're so super hard. My thinking that time already is I wanna work and and to overcome poverty. So even when I went to the US, I worked 2-3 jobs to overcome because I don't want my kid or my siblings to suffer what I experienced in life, that it's so hard.
Yes.
So,
So, kahit nasa and after nga sinangom mo ti pamilyam ket sinangom mo ti bagbagin,
when
ma'am.
I already stable and then my son already finished his school, so I said, I think this is for me to give myself also a break. Yes. So I joined.
Manot anak mo,
I have
ma'am?
one.
May
Yes.
isa.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
senior software engineer here in the US.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, nagmayat matan, ma'am. So, matuwa mo di agpa-US ka, ma'am?
I think I'm 28, I think, at that time.
Okay, tas nagubra ka, ingana
Talagang
ana.
2-3 jobs, almost like no sleep. Kasi tirigatibyan tayo dito. I said, this is my chance to, o nga, agsapol. So that's my thinking before, agsapol, ti kwarta, to make a good living. For me, my son, and family, and also to the community, because I have also community, like charitable services here and abroad. Yes.
I like your giving back kasi
Yes,
mama.
yes.
So ano madigiti kas lang very hard nga na-experience mo in life that makes you to be inspired to reach more, ma'am?
My childhood talaga kami nga, grabe marigligat kami. Kasi my dad is not really good in money before. So talagang marigligat kami as a my parents is a farmer, and then I went to college self-supporting students, and then when I went to the US, it's hard because you have to adjust in everything. So we really have to work hard. And then after that, I have like really bad relationship with my ex-husband. So there's a lot of like challenges. But it's all those experience make me more stronger as Gina or Mrs.
Yes.
As that I can stand on my own, stronger, brave. And again, I think if you have resilience, you will succeed in life.
Dahil nga rod, mga kabombo tinagnuduan iti segment tayo, ada bombo success story, iti Good Morning Philippines. Katsapay kumata, damanen iti nabati nga adal, manipod iti istorya ni Miss Ligaya Villanueva. Iti pagayam yo Bombo Janice Madamba, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the number one and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio. Bombo. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, Philippines!